Hey guys, it's me again, Andy from MSI, and you're joining us today at the 2019 CES at the MSI booth. What I'm holding right here is essentially the hero product of 2019. We call the GS75 Stealth.
Einmal noch.
Dieses Video wird euch von den kabellosen Kopfhörern von JBL präsentiert. Weitere Infos erhaltet ihr in der Infokarte.
Original Pro Sound. Als wärst du dabei. Kabellose Kopfhörer von JBL.
And as the name suggests, the Stealth, the #1 key feature about this product is you're really getting that thin and light gaming laptop. And then if you're wondering what graphics card it's capable of putting in here, you would be amazed. This one you can carry up to 2080 RTX series. We're talking, again, I repeat, we're talking about the RTX 2080 series in this superbly thin and light gaming laptop. Before we go in details about the laptop, let's go over the I/O ports, which I'm sure a lot of people are interested in. So you're getting the USB port, two of the USBs right here, HDMI, Thunderbolts here, but one Type-C and one Thunderbolts. On the other side, you're getting additional USB ports, the Ethernet cable, Ethernet port, not the cable, and the 2 audio jacks right here. So essentially, again, everything you would need from a gaming laptop. All right. The logo here has been refined. Before, it was more of an imprint, but this time we have fully really embedded onto the top side of the chassis. So it integrates seamlessly to the entire product. So then, again, what does this do? It looks a lot more premium that way, and more subtle as well. Let's talk about what's inside this laptop right here. So of course it's carrying an i7 8th generation CPU, and like mentioned earlier, it can go all the way up to 2080 RTX series. Extremely powerful. This is perhaps one of the most powerful graphics card in the world at the moment. And the really awesome and surprising feature is usually for a laptop as thin as this one, you're getting, if you're lucky, about 1 or 2 SSD slots. But for this one, you get 3 SSD slots, which is amazing. I think it's unprecedented. So 2 of the slots is NVMe PCIe that supports RAID 0, and the other one is a SATA. So if you do a lot of work, you need a lot of storage, then I think this would be a great option for you to check it out. And the keyboard, again, every single one of our gaming laptop, the keyboard is built with the SteelSeries keyboards. So again, you're getting more tactile feedback. It's not one of those generic, regular membrane keyboards where you have very minimal travel distance. For this one, it's just so comfortable and so smooth to type on. It's more responsive. You're getting more travel distance and the tactile feedback. It's just a pleasant experience to type on this keyboard. In addition, panel is another thing that we're really proud of. You're getting the 4-sided thin bezel panel, 144 Hertz plus 3 milliseconds response time. So essentially one of the very unique gaming panels in the market, because we really want to generate that. We really want to focus on everything that a gamer wants, right? The gamer wants a good panel, a good keyboard to play on, and of course, performance goes without saying. Thin lights, and this laptop weighs about 2.25 kilograms, so extremely light. The battery capacity can go up to 8 hours. So even if you're not gaming, if you're taking it out for school or for work or for business meetings, you can take this laptop without taking the adapter with you, and it'll last you up to 8 hours. Again, this is having a battery capacity of up to 8 hours. It's essentially non-existent right now in the market, besides MSI's products, the GS75 Stealth. So essentially we covered everything. The chassis is very durable. Heat dissipation, one of the finest. We have what is called the Cooler Boost Trinity Plus. So you have 2 fans right here, and then 1 fan. So the 2 fans are dedicated for GPU heat dissipation, 1 for CPU, and you're getting in total of 7 heat pipes. Repeat, that's 7 heat pipes and 3 fans, everything embedded in this laptop. So if you're worried about a thin laptop having problems with thermal module heat dissipation, think again, not with the GS75, because we've taken care of that. So you can perform, play games, do anything on this laptop without jeopardizing on the performance or experiencing throttling. It's simply not going to happen with the GS75. Again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us, tuning in for 2019 CES at the MSI booth. This is the GS75 Stealth. My name is Andy. Feel free to check it out and hope to see you guys again next time. The most important question of all, and the answer, is when is this machine available? And my answer would be very soon. So hold tight, this machine is coming to you.